The 2025 MG HS PHEV continues to build on the momentum the MG brand has established in Pakistan over the past few years. Combining modern design, robust performance, and eco-conscious technology, this plug-in hybrid SUV delivers an exceptional driving experience with efficiency at its core. Available through Sehgal Motors in Rawalpindi and other cities, the HS PHEV is now becoming a top contender in Pakistan's growing hybrid vehicle market. Exterior design. MG has taken a bold step forward with the design of the 2025 HS PHEV. The front grille features the signature, Stardust, design, giving it a premium look. Chrome accents surround the grille and side windows, while sharp LED headlamps with integrated daytime running lights (DRLs) give the car a futuristic presence on the road. The flowing body lines, sporty rear spoiler, and aggressive bumpers make this SUV both elegant and dynamic. Lighting. Full LED setup including fog lights and rear combination tail lamps. Roof rails. Functional and stylish. Paint options. Multiple shades including pearl white, phantom red, and black night. Interior and comfort. Step inside the HS PHEV, and you're greeted with luxury. MG has used soft-touch materials and high-grade synthetic leather for the seats. The cabin is spacious and quiet, offering a very refined experience. Ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and panoramic sunroof elevate the luxury quotient. Seats. Electrically adjustable with lumbar support, heating and ventilation. Infotainment. 10.1-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Digital cluster. 12.3-inch full digital driver's display. Panoramic sunroof. Large and smooth operating, ideal for scenic drives. Sound system. 6-speaker high-fidelity audio system. Rear seats. 60/40 split, with ample legroom and reclining feature. Engine and performance. The HS PHEV is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine paired with an electric motor. Together, they deliver a combined output of 258 horsepower and 370 Nm torque, making it one of the most powerful in its category. Petrol engine. 1.5-liter turbo, 160 horsepower. Electric motor. 122 horsepower equivalent. Transmission. 10-speed automatic, 6-speed ICE plus 4-speed EV. Battery. 16.6 kWh lithium-ion. EV range. Up to 55 km on pure electric mode. 0 to 100 km/h, around 7 seconds. Fuel efficiency. Over 60 km/h combined, hybrid mode. This powertrain setup gives you instant torque, smooth transitions, and whisper quiet drives in EV mode, perfect for urban commutes. Chassis, suspension and ride quality. Built on a robust yet lightweight chassis, the HS PHEV features McPherson struts at the front and a multi-link setup at the rear. This ensures a stable and comfortable ride even on Pakistan's unpredictable road conditions. Suspension, tuned for comfort with minimal body roll. Steering, electric power assisted, precise with adjustable modes. Drive modes, Eco, Normal, Sport, and EV. Tires, rims and ground clearance. Tire size, 235/50ths R18. Rims, diamond-cut alloy wheels with a stylish 5-spoke design. Spare, space-saver spare tire under the boot. Ground clearance, 180 mm, enough to handle most urban obstacles and light off-roading. Technology and features. 360-degree camera, great for city parking. Adaptive cruise control. Lane keep assist and lane departure warning. Traffic jam assist and front collision warning. Blind spot detection. Keyless entry and push start. Auto hold and electronic parking brake. Safety. MG prioritizes safety with a 5-star Euro NCAP rating for the HS PHEV. It includes 6 airbags, ABS with EBD and brake assist, electronic stability control (ESC), traction control, hill start assist and hill descent control, ISOFIX child seat anchors. Boot space and practicality. Boot capacity, 451 liters. Expandable to over 1200 liters with seats folded. Storage. Multiple cup holders, deep door pockets, and center console storage.